is a quick analysis based on my experience of live shows versus silent shows, pros and cons on Poshmark. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and a reselling content creator. Let's start with the live shows. The first pro is increased exposure for your closet. Even if you don't sell much in your live show, you get a lot of exposure for your actual closet. People might see you in the live and they go back to your closet and browse and shop, possibly finding something that you don't have in your live show. Another one is the ability to engage with potential customers in real time, which is great because this is how you form a community. People will see that you are a real person and you are creating a relationship based on a little bit more trust, and customers find it easier to purchase from your closet. Opportunity to showcase your unique style and personality. We all have different personalities, and trying on stuff and styling it in your live show, people find it more easy to buy it because they will see firsthand how it looks like when you wear it. When you engage with your customers live, you have more increased sales potential. The cons are it can be very time consuming, it requires a lot of preparations, and it can be difficult to manage to have multiple conversations at once, because you will find that people will ask you questions, and while it is nice to communicate with your buyers, it can be also very overwhelming. Being organized after the show is the most essential thing, because you have to put everything back in your inventory the way it was, and after that you have to pack and ship. Let's talk about the silent shows now. They are very easy to manage. They are my favorite. I used to hate them, but not anymore. I really love silent shows. What I really love about both silent and live shows is that they can be scheduled in advance. The most important silent show feature has just been released about a month ago, and it is the slideshow. It can be used to showcase a number of items really quickly, and you can have the slideshow just presenting your item while you sell it. Fortunately, this is dependent on how many pictures and if you have a video in your listing, so I suggest you use all the pictures and showcase all the details of your listing. When you decide to end your show, you don't have to physically put any inventory back on the shelves. Now for the cons. There's less exposure for your items. You don't style it, you don't show it on your body. People find it a little difficult to purchase. It is also less opportunity for customer engagement, which doesn't allow you to build that trust relationship between clients and yourself, and it's not as easy to purchase for them, which of course gives you less opportunity to showcase your unique style and personality. And the last one that I noticed is less sales potential. While it's possible not to sell anything at all or just very little, like 1 or 2 pieces, it is still great because you get some exposure out there for people to see your closet, and that's a good thing. If you yourself notice any differences, please let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoy my content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am posting resellers content every week and tips and tricks on how to sell. So if you want to be notified, please hit the notification bell down on the bottom, and it will let you know every time I post one of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!